Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. So I'm not sure why airport stores aren't having these UV lights or tunnels everywhere. UV disinfection trolley to disinfect 99% of virus in hospitals. And they're also saying that far as UVC light may offer low-cost solution to eradicating airborne viruses in indoor public spaces, as well as disinfecting and cleaning surfaces on packages, clothes, food, you name it.
It has been used to disinfect water and air systems and for decontamination of packaging and work surfaces.
Protection and energy to kill any bacteria that's on the food surface.
Treatment with ultraviolet energy does not leave a residue.
Exactly. In some places, they have these little like light tunnels, UV tunnels, where they put food through, and they have like trolleys that they put like tons of food through to disinfect and clean and get rid of the bacteria. 99.9% of all the viruses and bacteria. Why aren't they using these kind of like at the end of like, when you're at the grocery store at the end of like the trolley when they put the food through? They should be putting them through like a little bit of a UV like tunnel that you're like, it's like already going through like a trolley. So why not have like a tunnel that it goes through? Or even for like fast food restaurants or like takeout places, like when you go to like do drive through, like they're still doing like hand to hand transactions. What they should honestly have is on the outside of all these places a little like two-way like door. So like basically they open it up, put your package or your food inside of it, close it, UV lights go on or disinfectant cleans it, and then you on the other side open that door, or it automatically opens. Actually, it should be all automatic. Everything should be automated now. We have the technology for it. Automated opens, and then you grab it, and then you drive through like McDonald's and all those other fast food places. China even has a disinfectant bay where you drive the whole bus and the UV lights actually disinfect in. So there's like tons of possibilities with UV lights. So why aren't they implementing this all across the world? They should have it at airports, buses, public transporting, everywhere. Everywhere there should just be UV tunnels and UV lights and just cleaning and disinfecting everything. It's the most, like, it just makes sense to me. And like they even toilets, like they were talking about it.
It's an ultraviolet light that can zap 99.99% of germs your fellow flyers leave behind.
That's right. This was created by Boeing, and this was going to be used in their airplanes to disinfect and clean their bathrooms.
And disinfect the whole tiny room in just 3 seconds. For extra protection, the faucet, soap dispenser, hand dryer, and toilet seat will all be hands-free.
Damn, cleans it within 3 seconds, and that's what I'm talking about now. All hands-free, all automated. Just swipe or put your hand or motion, it opens up. That's how everything should be now. Doorknobs and door handles are completely outdated technology that should have been completely replaced years ago. We're living in 2020, not the 1800s. See, the doorknob, the first patent invented of the doorknob was 1878. And just think about all these public places like toilets, all these different areas where as soon as you leave, you close the door, or wherever you're done, UV lights, all this stuff comes on and cleans and disinfects it all. So the next person that goes in, or when you go in after the next person, it's all nice, clean, and sanitized. And you're all like, ew, disgusting. Because, like, seriously, we're like, are we still living in like the caveman ages where we have to like touch a door handle and have like 100,000 other people touch that same door handle? Like we're in the transition now in the period where we're going to be going into future and the technology. And like that's the thing is like if it takes a virus to do that, well then I guess that's what's going to happen to to change our technology and our future around us, and to make things the way that it should be with like like I said, automated doors, automated cleaning. Everything should just be automated. Like there's even robots now. Like I saw this video, sorry for getting off topic quickly, is that it's like a programmed with chef quality, like if they film a chef making food and then they program it into a robot, so there's like robot arms, and then basically you go up to the screen, go whatever, I want eggs benedict, and it's like Chef Ramsay programmed into these robot arms, and then it just grabs all the food and like makes it all. It is just insane, and technology is just going to be mind-blowing, and it's going to be awesome, and I can't wait.
First fully automated and intelligent robots that can learn recipes, cook all kinds of foods with a remarkable precision, and then clean up after themselves.
Exactly, and I was like, dang, I definitely would want to buy one of those, because you just walk up, push a button, makes you food. But anyways, why aren't we using UV lights and robotics and all the automation everywhere in the world? And also, like, with the UV lights and stuff, like, every time you go to the shopping or grocery store, you have to like touch the shopping carts. It's nasty. They should have cleaning machines, and apparently people are figuring out how to make disinfectant and shopping cart cleaning machines. But honestly, disinfectant I don't think is the way to go. Spraying all this chemical, spraying all this stuff, UV light is way better in my mind, but it probably also has side effects on the skin and stuff like that, so you want it all contained and controlled.
It's a machine placed at the doors of grocery stores to disinfect the entire shopping cart.
Customers can do it themselves, or a lot of grocery stores are choosing to do it on behalf of the customer to make it more convenient.
See, it's okay that it's spraying all over the shopping cart, but at the same time, it's going to be spraying all over the place. It's better to have UV light like these ones.
Audio Jungle.
I think that's way better, way cleaner, way safer for the environment and everyone instead of spraying all this disinfectant everywhere. Even just like those tunnels that they've been introducing all across the world. If you haven't noticed, if you don't know, all across the world they're introducing these disinfecting tunnels that are spraying disinfectant and everything in like Iran, like just all over the place. And like it's just bad. Like UV tunnels is probably the way to go for like products and everything, but for like us, like I don't know if UV like light is probably good for us, but at the same time, like the sun is UV light, so I don't know. Don't quote me on that. So I envision the future is coming and it's going to be basically UV lights everywhere and tunnels and disinfectant and stuff like that. And like the disinfectant I think is just the worst idea and the worst possible way to do it. UV light, if it actually does kill 99% of all the bacteria and viruses, then why not use it? Use it on everything except for us, if it, unless it's okay for us to use as well. But like you could use it literally everywhere, at the airports, the postal service, Amazon, grocery centers, anywhere like there's like you can just put anything through the product, the item, even in like the bathrooms, like you could see like the airport, the Boeing, and it wanted a self-automated bathroom where as soon as you close it, it disinfected, and it's all automated. You want to have automated doors, everything's just automated, hand swiping, you don't want to touch anything anymore. And that's the thing is like we have the technology for it, so why not? And that's the thing with public bathrooms and stuff too, is that the stalls and bathrooms should be all like self-contained, and then when you're done doing your business, it should just all self-clean. Because even if you go to a public bathroom, there's like these little cracks and stalls in the wall, and that's like a privacy thing and like issue, and like I don't like public bathrooms for that reason. I never use them, and they're like gross and unsanitary. And that's the thing too, is like swimming pools. Who would have thought of this? Swimming pools could have UV lights inside the pools to disinfect the water at night when nobody's using the pool, rather than using all this bleach and harmful chemicals. Because I swear one of the other reasons why my eyes are so messed up from being a kid was opening up my eyes in a chlorine pool when I was younger, because I was stupid instead of having goggles or whatever that you're supposed to be using. Or even better, just a whole second grid of UV light. So for example, anywhere that you have like a restaurant or just any place that as soon as you close down, you just flip on the UV lights and it cleans and disinfects everything. Or you could just have everything like self-contained, self-cleaned, like booths, everything, so when people are done, it just self-cleans. Like there's so many different possibilities, and the future is basically going to be, it's now. We're going to be experiencing new implements of technology around us. Hopefully, I'm hoping to see all this. This should have already been put into place before, and it would have prevented, or at least stopped and tried to prevent what's going on right now to the huge extent. Because if they had all these things into place, people wouldn't be getting sick, going on places, touching things, grabbing things, and then other people touching them and getting sick, because everything would be automated. And after you're in there, it gets self-cleaned and it just self disinfects 100% or 99.9% or whatever they claim. And as also, they should have already had into place these temperature checks, like they have drones and like radar guns to temperature check people, and they should have already had that all into place. Because even the common flu if you get it, it can kill people. So like anything that kills people should be taken seriously. And that's the thing, is that you only have one life, and you should take it seriously. You only have one life, and yeah, it's like my own honest personal belief is universal law states that you have one life and that you should have any means to like preserve it. You should be able to do anything by any means to like keep you alive, or anybody that you know, your family or loved ones alive. So like, yeah, why wouldn't they be doing this? Like, it just doesn't make any sense other than like depopulation efforts. And like the whole thing like there. But yeah, anyways, that's a whole nother video. So I just thought I'd share and educate you all that this is what's going on in different countries and around us right now. And I'm not surprised that they haven't done this already, and this is what's probably going to be happening soon as UV lights and UV all these cleaning things. But anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Please like this video and please click that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care and peace out.